Senate has today given its stand on Kiambu's Governor Ferdinand Waititu's impeachment.
Governor Waititu has been done a little bit of dishonor because I think in a way he could have presented a case that would have made the threshold that is required.
Lawyers of the governor did not find it fit to even file a formal application before you to explain why they could not comply with the statutory timelines.
If we are being told that we cannot make a decision because evidence is not before us, then I dare ask, why were we bringing witnesses before us?
Ahead of the senators' vote, both sides, the County Assembly of Kiambu and Waititu's legal teams, presented evidence. Waititu's lawyer had earlier asked Senate to throw out the case, saying the impeachment process was flawed. His team, led by lawyers Mbugwanganga, put up a spirited defense, noting that the charges leveled by MCAs had fallen short of constitutional requirements and were therefore not impeachable offences.
What you notice during cross-examination is that not a single contract was produced. Not a single award of tender was produced in the hand of the governor, Mr. Speaker. But now you're being told that because there's a list showing contracts of 3.3 billion shillings, find the governor to have violated the procurement law and therefore amenable to impeachment.
We are ruling on the orders, Mr. Speaker, sir.
And when Waititu took to the podium, he protested his impeachment and poked holes in the charges leveled against him by the County Assembly.
I beseech this House to make a ruling that cannot be challenged in any court of law, so that everybody would admire to be a senator. Like me, I thought that when I am through with Kiambu, I'll become a senator.
The County Assembly, through its lawyer Nani Mbugwa, however, argued the case was not based on criminal liability, but on the county chief's political responsibility.
Must look at the infringements on weakening the procurement safeguards alongside the evidence that the governor then brought his entire family to benefit from the procurement.
A prior request by Waititu's legal counsel to introduce new documents to serve as evidence was rejected after the senators entered into a closed-door meeting, voting 27-11 and terming it unprocedural. The impeachment was first brought up in December when 63 Kiambu MCAs voted in support of Solomon Kinothia, their Denderu counterpart, in a motion accusing Waititu of abetting corruption.
The only motivation that the governor would have had to overcommit the county to the tune of 3.3 billion was only to collect 10% kickbacks.
Once impeached, a governor has the right to contest the Senate's decision, as was the case with Embu Governor Martin Wambora, who on 2 occasions survived the sack. Waititu, however, still faces corruption charges, which saw the courts bar him from accessing office until determination of the 588 million shillings graft case against him. Rose Gakwo, K24 Evening Edition.